Alright, so I got a comment the other day from Donald Kasper saying, why not just use Ubuntu or Lubuntu as a starter distro instead of messing with the Unity settings. So this was a great point. I said yes, I would recommend doing that. And I decided that because I'm having so much trouble with the current setup of Ubuntu, not really trouble, but just it's a little slower than I'd like, I was going to give this a try. And instead of starting from scratch, there is a way that we can get rid of the Unity part of Ubuntu and just install all the Lubuntu stuff. So this is what we're going to do in this video. In order to do that, what we're going to do is first use a command to auto-remove a bunch of things. So I have a command there that's going to auto-remove a whole lot of the different packages, so it's going to go through and do that. 3 of them I believe it could not find, which is fine, it won't delete them. The next command I'm doing is just removing an extension, and then what I'm going to do is install lubuntu-desktop. So those are the 3 commands that I'm going to do. They're in the description of this video, and you can see it running through the process there. It does take probably at least 20 minutes to install the lubuntu-desktop. Lubuntu, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but that's about it. So then once you've done that, nothing really changes except for when you restart. We'll restart the whole thing. We'll see the Lubuntu little logo pop up here in a second once it restarts. So now it's going to restart. There's the Ubuntu 15.10. Should be good. And it's going to look exactly the same once we get into it. Now I did want to test to see if this actually did improve anything, so I did start up the app I've been working on, the aliasnerd.com app, and I just wanted to see if like running the server was faster, if running the test was faster. So this is sort of what's going to happen here. Now it's not dramatically faster. It's not as fast as the MacBook. Again, I'm still working with a 32-bit version of this Virtualbox, so that might be holding me back a little bit because you're limited on your RAM when you're using 32-bit, right? So it's only so much you could do. But I did actually notice a difference, and I wonder if you can notice it here. So this is just going into the folder, making sure everything still works. Let's just wait here. Yeah, the process didn't take too long, and for the gain and speed that you get, like it's only a couple seconds, but I do recommend doing it. For 20 minutes of work, you get a lot better experience through your development environment, if you're using VirtualBox, that is. So let's just see. I think I did Rails S, but I do have to start the Postgres database here, so don't really have to do that. So starting that Puma server did go a lot faster than the Ubuntu way. So that is an improvement. I found that Firefox was loading things much faster. See how much faster that loaded? I did enjoy that. So I'll go through and start this Postgres server, and let's just see what it looks like for speed here. Now this video is real time. It's not sped up at all, so just so we could see that there is a difference. If you ever watch any of the live streams before this change, you can see that it's much slower. So this loading is a little bit slow, but it's still faster than previously. So it's up and running. So there we go. What do I do next? I run the test next, so we can get a feel for how fast the test suite runs with this upgrade. Or I always get confused with calling it an upgrade or is it a downgrade, because we're getting rid of a lot of stuff from the standard Ubuntu desktop. So this is running. Guard opened up quite fast. I just noticed that it opened up a lot faster than usual. Running the test. This does usually take a few seconds, but once it kicks in, we'll see. Let's see here. Yeah, that's it's not extremely fast, but it is faster than it was before. So boom, done. Yeah, perfect. So yeah, that upgrade or downgrade or whatever you want to call it to Lubuntu from the Unity stuff is great. I really like it. I'm just loading another web page to see how fast that loads, and it's loading faster. So I highly recommend making that change. Thank you very much, Donald Kasper.